Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came in here with another reaction. Move. Today, guys, we're here with Valiant. That song called Where She Love. Valiant, Where She Love. Let's go. Let's get another one here. Let's get it.
Father, no, hold on, father. Before you do that, father.
Who that? Cuz. Comedian Cuz.
I'm catch you at the father. Father, talk to me, father.
Bad Bobby, see the gun by me, and it get her honey. Hold on. I'm fine. I'll be fine. Bad man, I wish you love. Bad man, I wish you love. Bad man, I wish you love. Roll like a diplomat, you roll like a dog. Bad man, I wish you love.
So it seems like him kidnapped, well, the diplomat them kidnapped the G, and they want to make him know where she love, you see me? So he must say you're him catchy at and one bag of thing, but them not listen to that. Them still attach him and a bust up him face and be a thing because myself cause.
Bad man, I wish you love. She say you're too nice and she not circle down. Bad man, I wish you love. I make me ratchet up the rifle. I got to make a nipple them rise too.
Bad man, I wish you love when him goes to the rifle. With the shotty, yeah, I think that or she, yeah, and them think that she love. Yeah, them they think they make her nipple right. Girl toxic man, girl like, no girl no want a good boy. No girl no want a good church boy. We go church on a Sunday and kick and kick stone while them a gas come. No, that. Back at the class, not a subject.
I make me ratchet up the rifle. Yeah. I got to make a nipple them rise too. I shouldn't worry about a title. A bad girl like to be lied to. Say she love it, chop life too.
She don't worry about title. A bad girl like to be lied to. Some of them girls know say man a lie to them now, but them just love it. Them get a thrill out of it, you know?
And I'm nothing if you give me one night. She said he had to make her butt to jot way. Before I smoke, she want me drop it just right. Say she love the finger play. Yeah.
I'm asking her, yeah.
Say she love it, chop life too.
Yeah.
And I'm nothing if you give me one night. She said he had to make her butt to jot way. Before I smoke, she want me drop it just right. Say she love the finger play.
So much to show, yo. Cause my guy, you fuck. Cause that is how to carry the body, bro. Put it back, man. Put it back here, man. Put back your hand down. Cause you got the same G. What she love, cause?
Before I smoke, she want me drop it just right. Say she love the finger play. Rougher when she start for misbehave. Yeah. Bad man, I wish she love. Bad man, I wish she love. Bad man, I wish she love. Roll like a diplomat and roll like a dog. She not doing at the game, she not fucky. Take the gun off my waist and her mouth stuff it.
Take the gun off him waist in her mouth just stuff it. Yo, me I hear what I say, but I'm more interested in the video. I swear to you, come on to watch that video, dog. I swear. Yo, Valiant is a talented artist, you know, very talented artist. Valiant have 9 songs, I think 9 or 10 songs out there on the charts, brother. Like, the man not play that.
Doing at the game, she not fucky. Take the gun off my waist and her mouth stuff it. Bad bitch over spoil me, give her every money. Clean girl, but she deal with the cocky dirty. Transfer.
Yeah, I feel
so many than that. Take the safety off, for that I wait your job. Bad man, I wish she love. Bad man, I wish she love. Bad man, I wish she love. Roll like a diplomat and roll like a dog. She wa bad man for real hard. She wa bad man for real hard. Bad man, I wish she love. Bad man, I wish she love. Bad man, I wish she love. Roll like a diplomat and roll like a dog.
Yeah.
If I'm a King Cam shoot this, it's not shoot good,
King
brother.
Cam, big up your bumbo clad self as always, you know. Big up yourself as always in that King Cam. This song is not the usual song where you you'd get from a Valiant. I don't know. I think this is more like a message, but talented. Valiant not put a foot wrong up to this minute. Big up yourself, Valiant. Me like the video. I think there could be more to it, like explain Cuz role a bit more, because we see Cuz I get torture in the start of the video by the Diplo them, and then we see Cuz in the middle of the video I get like a bad up somebody. We don't see oh him a bad up or why him a do, but we just see him a bad up himself and I go on. So if him a bad man, why them a torture him? I don't understand the part. The King can explain the part in the comment section, because I know you watch the reaction. So explain the whole concept in the comment section. Whenever to get my head around it. Vocal is always on point. The beat is just nice and like dun, 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 yeah, nice. You don't know. Big up the diplomats them. Valiant bad. Valiant, like me tell you, in all of your the other reaction then, bro. You have your place in a dance hall and you forward out and you own your place. You see me? Yeah. You forward out and you own your place with G. So big up yourself, bro. The music did need you for real. The music did need you for real. So big up yourself. I am looking forward to see what you are forwarding with on a daily, on a weekly basis. Big up yourself. Yeah, you have a good personality, G. You have a likable personality, because we see in one video where you ask one girl, say, yo, if it's a little bit late, like you can't go your yard, like them little thing there. It's good to see artists are be human, because a lot of people think say, yo, because a person famous or a person do the runs on social media, they're not humans. It's good to see you interact and show, say, yo, you actually have humor. You have a humorous side towards it, and we see it in your music as well. The way you persona, the way you go on and thing, we know say you are a cool person to be around. So big up your team when they're around you still. King can big up yourself as usual, my fam. You see me? Anyway, this is how I'm gonna leave that one here. Big up Valley, big up Diplomat, big up on yourself, and I'll see you guys definitely in the next one.